In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background in Canva. We'll walk through the entire process from your Canva dashboard, all the way to using the background remover tool on your image. I'll explain what to click, why you're doing it, and share a few tips along the way so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, open Canva and head to your main dashboard. This is the home screen you see right after logging in. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Projects. This section is where Canva stores all of your designs, uploads, and folders in one place, and it's where we'll manage the image you want to edit. Go ahead and click on Projects. Once you're inside your Projects area, you'll notice different tabs and folders. To bring in a new image that you want to remove the background from, you'll need to upload it from your device. Find and click on the Upload option. This usually appears as a button that says Upload, often on the left side of your screen. Clicking this tells Canva you want to bring in a new file rather than use something that's already in your account. Next, click on Upload Files. This will open a file browser window on your computer or device. From here, navigate to the folder where your image is saved. Take a moment to pick the best quality version of your image, because higher resolution photos typically give cleaner background removal results. Once you've found the right file, select it and confirm. Canva will start uploading it to your projects. After the upload finishes, click on the image to open it in the Canva editor. Once it's on your canvas, make sure the image is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and handles around it. Above the canvas, you'll see a toolbar. In that toolbar, click on Edit Image. This opens up Canva's image editing panel on the side. In the Edit Image panel, look for the option called BG Remover. This is Canva's background remover tool. Keep in mind, this is a pro feature, so you'll need a Canva Pro subscription or trial to use it. When you click BG Remover, Canva will automatically analyze your image and remove the background for you. After a few seconds, you'll see your subject isolated on a transparent background, ready for you to place on any design you like.